We're all trying to know ourselves through experiences. Anything which is not an experience is something we try to logically understand. How many of us relate to what I just said? Yeah. Whatever you experience, it's a knowing, correct? The things that you don't experience in your life are things you wonder about, you doubt, or you make peace with, you accept. It's an intellectual solution that you give yourself. You have decided to accept it or not accept it, logically, intellectually. But things that you experience, it's an open-ended thing. You know, when you experience something, it's not supposed to have a conclusion. For example, a relationship. So you experience a relationship, it's not supposed to give you a conclusion. That was a bad relationship. That was a wasteful relationship. Why we have this quest in us? Because we want to shut that chapter with a conclusion. Yes or no? Why? I want to know, why is it that you want to shut that chapter with a conclusion?